The all-new 2025 Chevrolet Corvette pickup truck is here, and it's unlike anything we've ever seen before. Chevy has taken the heart and soul of the legendary Corvette and merged it with the practicality of a pickup truck, creating a vehicle that's both high performance and highly functional. This is not just another concept, it's a bold statement from Chevrolet that breaks the traditional boundaries of sports cars and trucks. At first glance, the Corvette pickup truck commands attention with its aggressive, low-slung stance. Unlike conventional pickups, this beast retains the aerodynamic sleekness of a Corvette while incorporating a versatile truck bed at the rear. The sculpted hood, aggressive LED headlights, and signature Corvette grille make it instantly recognizable, but the extended wheelbase and modified rear section tell you this is something entirely new. Chevy has blended sportiness with utility, offering a truck that doesn't compromise on speed or capability. Under the hood, the 2025 Corvette pickup truck is expected to feature a monstrous 6.2-liter LT2 V8 engine, delivering a staggering 495 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, this powerhouse ensures lightning-fast gear shifts and seamless acceleration. And if that's not enough, there's talk of an even more extreme Z06 version with a naturally aspirated 5.5-liter V8 pushing out over 670 horsepower. That's supercar performance in a pickup truck. Chevrolet has engineered this vehicle with a lightweight aluminum chassis, ensuring that it remains agile and responsive despite its larger frame. The mid-engine layout remains intact, giving the Corvette pickup a nearly perfect weight distribution. This means it's not just a straight-line speed machine, it can handle corners like a true performance vehicle. The adaptive suspension system, borrowed from the Corvette Stingray, provides a smooth ride while allowing the truck to hug the road with incredible precision. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that feels more like a luxury sports car than a workhorse truck. Premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and a driver-focused cockpit make it clear that this is a high-performance machine. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system with Chevrolet's latest MyLink software provide a futuristic and connected driving experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system ensure that entertainment is always at your fingertips. But what about the truck bed? Chevrolet has designed it to be both stylish and functional. Made from high-strength composite materials, it's durable enough for hauling light cargo while maintaining the truck's aerodynamic efficiency. The Corvette pickup may not be designed for heavy-duty towing, but it's perfect for those who want to combine weekend adventures with high-speed thrills. Whether it's carrying sports gear, camping equipment, or a couple of surfboards, this pickup truck is built for lifestyle enthusiasts who refuse to settle for ordinary. Safety and technology also take center stage in the 2025 Corvette pickup. Chevy has packed this truck with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system makes parking and maneuvering effortless, while the heads-up display ensures you keep your eyes on the road. One of the biggest questions surrounding the Corvette pickup truck is its market positioning. Chevrolet has always been known for pushing boundaries, and this vehicle is no exception. With a starting price rumored to be around $80,000, it's targeting a niche audience, those who crave the thrill of a Corvette but also need the practicality of a truck. Some may call it crazy, but Chevy is taking a bold step into uncharted territory, and the result is nothing short of spectacular. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette pickup truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a revolution. It challenges the norms of what a pickup truck should be and redefines performance in the utility segment. With its powerful engine, striking design, and cutting-edge technology, it's set to turn heads and spark debates among enthusiasts. Whether you see it as a brilliant innovation or an unexpected twist, one thing is certain, Chevrolet has created something truly unique. Would you drive a Corvette pickup truck? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autoometrics for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll see you in the next video.